Hi everyone, it's Alexandra from the Hedgehog Hollow, and today we're behind the scenes in one of the bedrooms, and I wanted to show you that during one of our recent makeovers in this room, I was looking for new bedding for us, and I came across Beddies, which is just a little bit different, and I loved some of the features in it. So we have a zippable edge, so no more arguing about who gets more of that duvet. It's like sleeping in a snug sleeping bag, and you can choose whether you have a soft minky lining or if you prefer something that breathes like a cotton. It also comes in every size, so I can get them for Tilly's toddler bed, Maddie's single, doubles, kings. You can get them in every single size. Lots of different designs. There's polka dots, there's solids, there's masculine, there's feminine. You can really choose it and customize it to your room. I also love that you get two sham styles. You get the sham that matches the outside, but you also get the one that matches your lining as well. So lots of different options, whether you like a dress pillow or just to have a spare one, you have that in there too. And all these different designs, the way you can zip yourself in, it's just so snug and cozy. We all love it, whether we're snuggling up for a bedtime story or going to bed after a hard day at work. Check out the links below or in the description above, and you can find out more about Beddies.